What is going on, guys? I am C Plumley69 back at it again with a Scooby pack opening. Now, I'm so sorry I couldn't upload yesterday. I was just so busy. But today, back with a pack opening. Let's get right into it. What will be first? Starting off with a Shaggy. Oh, that's nice. Starting off with a Shaggy. That is a great pull to start off with. Next up, a Daphne, tastiest of all. Let's go. 1/3 of the way there. A Freddy, very rare, very tasty. We're halfway there. Can we achieve the Scooby rainbow? I don't know. A Velma, we got a Velma. We're 2/3 of the way there. Semi-translucent Scooby and Mystery Machine, I hope you're in here. Us, Mystery Machine, oh my gosh, we're 5 for 5. Oh my gosh, all we need is a semi-translucent Scooby. Another Mystery Machine, not bad at all. Please, I need a semi-translucent Scooby. A semi-translucent Scooby, we got the Scooby Rainbow. Oh my gosh, we have achieved the Scooby Rainbow. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. What is life? Oh my gosh. And a Freddy. Oh my gosh. Done with the pack. We just pulled all 6 characters. Oh my gosh. Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe for daily Scooby-Doo pack openings, where I pull Scooby rainbows.